Why organizing your phone matters.
A cluttered phone can slow you down and make important apps hard to find. By organizing your apps into folders and adding shortcuts, you can boost productivity and reduce frustration. With so many apps and notifications fighting for your attention, a streamlined home screen helps you focus on what matters most, whether for work, school, or daily tasks.
Best folder apps for smarter organization.
Folder organizer apps help you sort similar apps and files into personalized folders. On Android, Smart Folder and Folder Organizer allow you to create custom folders, label them, and even assign icons. If you use iOS, built-in folders let you group apps by category, such as social, productivity, or games, with easy drag-and-drop controls.
Recommended shortcut apps.
Shortcut apps save time by giving instant access to your most used actions or apps. On Android, Shortcut Maker and Nova Launcher let you create custom shortcuts for settings, contacts, or tasks. iPhone users can take advantage of the built-in Shortcuts app, which automates actions like sending messages, opening frequently used apps, or toggling device settings with a single tap.
Tips for organizing your home screen.
Start by evaluating which apps and tools you use most. Group similar apps into folders and move them to your home screen for easy access. Place the most important shortcuts in the dock or a prominent spot. Regularly review and update your folders to remove unused apps, keeping your phone organized and clutter-free.
Boosting productivity with organization apps.
Using folders and shortcuts reduces time spent searching and increases efficiency. With the right apps, your phone adapts to your workflow instead of getting in the way. Invest a few minutes in setup, and you'll enjoy a cleaner home screen, faster app launches, and less stress throughout your day.